Hello Cancer, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Cancer, this is your reading for the month of May and this is a general reading. Please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay. Cancer, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also appreciate if you hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Cancer, I have started with extended readings. So if you are interested in the same, if you are excited to know what action your person will take towards you, if you're excited to know what are their innermost, deepest feelings for you, if you want to know what is the likely conclusion of the situation, then you can go ahead and you can check out the extended reading. The link for the same has been provided in the description box. It has also been provided in the comments section. You can click on that and it will lead you to the extended reading on Vimeo platform. Make sure you follow me on Vimeo just the way you follow me over here on YouTube. Okay. Now, as far as the reading on YouTube is concerned, Cancer, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here. They will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Thereafter, I'm going to pull some cards from another deck and they will be the general messages. They will be the non-love messages for you and your person. Later on, I'm going to pull out some cards, oracle cards, and they will be the messages from the higher powers, messages from the universe regarding this connection or in general. And I have added a new section, Cancer. And this new section is about the new person coming towards you. So I will be describing this new person. I will be describing the kind of relationship that you will have with this new person. So this section or this new segment is applicable for everyone, whether you are single, whether you are in separation, you want to move on, you don't want to move on, it is applicable for everyone. At the end, Cancer will wind up this reading by pulling out a couple of love notes and we'll see what your person was thinking and feeling about you, especially during separation. Okay. All right, Cancer, let's get started. Justice for you. 5 of Swords, Queen of Swords. Then we have 8 of Cups for your person, 4 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands. Mutual energy is the World, and 7 of Swords. Okay. So if I have to talk about the zodiac signs, you may be dealing with a Libra, you may be dealing with Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. Okay. I see a strong presence of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. And Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. If the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the sign, Cancer. Okay. So we have Justice, we have 5 of Swords, and we have Queen of Swords. I believe, Cancer, you are making very strong efforts to forget the past. Okay. I believe, Cancer, some of you have also approached tarot card readers to know why you are not able to forget, why you are still thinking about your person, irrespective of the length of the period of separation, why you still feel so strongly about your person, or why they did to you keeps on haunting you. Okay. First of all, let me tell you, Cancer, that you are protected. Okay, you are protected, and you have a strong protection not just from your ancestors, but you also have a strong protection from your spirit team. Okay, and if at all there is any such extreme feelings about you're feeling haunted because of what they did to you in the past, let me tell you one thing: you are a queen. Okay, you are a queen, you are a king, and you are equally capable to handle all such kind of extreme emotions. Yes, the hurt was too much in the situation. The hurt was too much, but at the same time, don't forget that, don't remain too much in this energy, Cancer. Like, if you keep on dwelling on that energy, it will keep on hurting you more. Okay, probably you can try to divert yourself away from this energy. I would like to say that there is someone new who is interested in you. Okay, there is someone new who is interested in you, Cancer, and this person really wants to protect you. This person is watching you since a very long time, and somehow they have understood that you have felt hurt in your life, and that is the reason why, there is a bit of aggression within yourself, or you're feeling this, this feelings are haunting you. That's why you're going through this phase, and this person understands you. This new person understands you very well. So look in and around you. There are opportunities in and around you, Cancer. Or do something that will give you, that will calm you down, that will give you the peace of, there will be a lot of peace in your life. Maybe you can pursue some art or hobby or something like that. Okay, because I see that you are very much angry. You are angry. That's what I see. As far as your person is concerned, 8 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles, and 10 of Wands. Cancer, your person, I don't know, like, they have left the third party. If there was a third party situation, or if they had chosen someone else over you, they have left that third party or that other option long time back. Let me tell you that they have left that person long time back, but they are holding themselves back even as of now. As much as they want to come towards you, they want to make things right, they are not able to, because they are still busy dealing with some situations in their life. This person is carrying on a lot of burden, lot of responsibilities. They have fulfilled a couple of responsibilities. They have removed themselves from certain situations, but still certain responsibilities and certain burdens are remaining. They are in the process of fulfilling those responsibilities. They are in the process of putting down those burdens, and once they are free, then they will plan something about you. Okay, so if you're thinking that as of now, if you're thinking, Cancer, that there is a third party situation or there is something else, okay, they are facing a challenge with respect to a third party situation, that is not the case. The third party is no more in the picture. I mean, if they had chosen someone else, or if this person was married, I don't see a marriage over here. If there was a commitment, a long-term commitment, they have given up that commitment. They have given up that optional person. Okay, but they are still dealing with a lot of things, and that is why they are holding themselves back. The World and 7 of Swords as a mutual energy. I believe both of you want to forget what happened in the past. The past is literally haunting both of you. Not just you, Cancer, but the past or their own behavior is haunting them as well. Okay? So both of you want to forget that. And both of you want to move on peacefully. Means move on in the sense, give this relationship another chance. Close the cycle, the previous cycle. Okay? So what action this person will take towards you, Cancer, what are their deeper and innermost feelings about you, What is the likely conclusion about this situation? If you are excited to know the same, you can check out the extended reading. The link for the same has been provided in the description box, okay, and also in the comments section. I also provide advice regarding the life, your money, your career, okay. So if you're interested, you can check out the extended reading. So now let's check out what are the general messages for you. We have 8 of Wands, Knight of Wands, and 3 of Swords. Magician, then 5 of Swords and 7 of Cups. So Cancer, I believe that if you are waiting for some sort of a news to come towards you since a very long period of time, that news is coming towards you. Moments of celebration are gonna happen pretty soon. Like if you are waiting for a confirmation about your job, if you have given an interview but there is nothing that you have received about it, you're pretty soon you're going to get that news, okay, and it will be a moment of celebration. You need to heal your broken heart, Cancer. You need to heal your broken heart. It is not becoming easy for you to forget the past. It is not becoming easy for you to heal your broken heart. Maybe you can approach a healer. Your person is manifesting you. Your person is manifesting you, and they are very much irritated with what they did to you. There is a lot of guilt, there is a lot of shame around their own behavior, Cancer, okay. This person is thinking about the ways they can come towards you, what approach they need to take, okay. So let's see what are the messages. Let's see what are the messages from the higher powers. What are the messages from the higher powers? What are the messages from the higher powers? Cancer, what are the messages from the higher powers? A woman holding a heart. Then we have a cornucopia. Then we have his third chakra archangel Chamuel, yin and yang, and broken heart again. Your heart is broken since a very long time. Very, very, very long time. Probably even before this relationship happened. You got into this relationship pretty fast, probably. Okay, before you could heal yourself from your earlier whatever wounds you're carrying inside you. Your solar plexus chakra, it is about your willpower. The third chakra is the solar plexus chakra. It is about your willpower. It is about your determination. It is slightly like, you need to work upon unblocking that chakra. That is also not giving you the enough of willpower to work on your to work on your issues. You are about to meet someone, Cancer, someone new. I feel there is someone new who is about to enter in your life, okay. I'm getting a very strong energy of a new person that will sort of give you a feeling of satisfaction, a feeling where you will feel complete. Now my love life is complete. That kind of a feeling you're going to have. But at cornucopia, I feel abundance. Your career progression is looking very good. I told you, right, you may receive a news about a job or something. There is a good news that you're about to hear when it comes to your job, your profession, okay. So let's see what are the messages from the universe. What are the messages from the universe? I go where you go. Someone is following you. Huba huba. You know that dreamy look of deep soulful love you have sometimes seen in the eyes of another as they gazed into your own. Expect a lot more of it, okay. Give yourself much more credit. You're underestimating yourself. What you give will come back. Enjoy your extraordinary uniqueness. You're a very extraordinary, unique soul. Enjoy that. Stop comparing yourself with someone else. So who is the new person that is coming towards you? Cancer, who is the new person that is coming towards you? So this segment is applicable for everyone, whether you're single, whether you're separated, you want to move on, you don't want to move on. It's applicable for everyone. I'm going to describe the person, and I will also describe the kind of relationship you'll have with this person. So we have Ace of Swords, we have 3 of Cups, we have is the Fool, we have Six of Pentacles, we have Two of Pentacles, we have Four of Cups, we have the Hermit, we have the Five of Cups, we have the Justice, and we have is the Sun. Wow. And Six of Wands at the bottom of the deck. So Cancer, first of all, I feel with the Three of Cups, either your childhood friend or a friend of yours, that will turn a romantic interest, or either you're going to meet someone with whom you're going to be friends first, and then it will turn into a romantic interest. Okay, so this is going to be a very gradual relationship which will develop naturally. Okay, a slow and a gradual relationship. Okay, so with that Ace of Swords, I clearly feel the moment you see this person, okay, the moment you start understanding this person, you'll have the idea pretty quickly that the relationship with this person will be a long-term one. Okay, this relationship, of course, with that Six of Pentacles and with the Justice, you are going to feel extremely satisfied and content, and you will be very much thankful to the God that thank you for sending this kind of a person. I have never experienced such kind of love. There is an equal give and take. There is so much of satisfaction and contentment. Your person will be very much proactive in this relationship. Okay, very enthusiastic. Sometimes you may go through you may be feeling low, you may be feeling a bit depressed, you may be feeling like I'm not feeling good today or something like that, and this person will make efforts to pep you up immediately. Okay, so that this scenario will be like not just at the start of the relationship, even 10 years down the line. Even if you're going through such kind of phases like feeling low or something like that, this person will make sure that they pep you up. Okay, with the Sun card, I feel that both of you are going to be extremely happy in this relationship. This person has also gone through a lot in their previous relationships in their life, and they have learned their life lessons pretty quickly. This person is a fast learner. This person is also someone who is pretty intelligent, and they may be holding a good position, or they may be making very good money. Position, money is looking very good over here. Okay, most likely I feel that this person will be doing something for themselves rather than working under someone else. This person is doing their own business or something of their own, and this person is very friendly, very very friendly. They will have so many friends, and then they will be like, at times you'll be jealous that this person keeps on attracting so many friends. Like you will doubt like what intentions other people are having about your person. You'll get jealous thinking about that, because this person will have literally so many friends, and this person is someone who is very charming. I feel that this person will be someone who is very workaholic. They will be very busy. Sometimes you will feel quite lonely. They may be traveling a lot for work, but then once they are done with the work, once they are done with their travel and etc., they'll again make sure, they will realize that they were not able to spend enough of time with you. Once they come back, they will make sure that they fill up the void, and they again pep you up. They will be very much centered about making you happy. Okay, they will be very much centered around that. So you are, I must say, Cancer, this is, if this is a kind of relationship that is going to happen, then you are very lucky. If you accept this person, I must say you are very lucky. Okay, all right, so this was a description about a new person. Now let's see, with the help of the love notes, what your past person was thinking and feeling about you. Cancer, what your past person was thinking and feeling about you, especially during separation. Some of the love notes may look like what you are thinking and feeling about them. Some of the love notes may look like what they are thinking and feeling about you. Okay. You take care of me and stay by my side when I'm ill. You accept and respect my limitation. Your voice resonates deeply in my soul. You are my other half. So this person thinks that they are already married to you. I learn something new from you every day. I trust you with my life and my heart. You have passion in all that you do. You make me laugh constantly. I feel at ease when I'm with you. You always take the pain away. I can't imagine a minute without you. In my dreams, I always see you. We lose track of time when we are together. You support me in my interests and hobbies. You say silly and cute things to make me laugh. You love unconditionally. We can imagine a wonderful future together. Ooh, all right. I hope this resonates, Cancer. Please hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye.